Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you about the tutorial how to use Musescore 4. First, you can see there are a lot of new features added on Musescore 4, like this section, home. This is your profile in musescore.com, scores to create a new score, or you can open your previous scores, and plugins. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 plugins, and you can learn online from Musescore or learn in masterclass Musescore. Okay, and this is score. This is how you create in this layout and publish. If you want to print or publish or export your Musescore file. Okay, and then I will teach you how to create a new score. First, if you want to create a new score, click scores in here and click this button, new score, or plus icon in here. Choose the category you want to create, like general, treble clef, bass clef, or grand stuff. Or you can choose the instruments, all instruments from woodwinds to strings. In this example, I will use grand piano, or click this right arrow to add the instrument, and I want to pick flute and choose flute, and you can create this make soloist, or you don't want to make soloist. I want make this flute soloist, and then click next. Choose your time or key signature. In this example, I will choose G major, and the time 4/4, the tempo I want to use 100 quarter beats per minute and 8 measures. Write the title, wonderful composer. Your subtitle for solo flute and piano accompaniment. accompaniment. Your lyrics and the copyright. After that, click done. That's the easiest way to create a new score. And then I want to explain about the palette. Okay. In the left section, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 palettes, like clefs, key signatures, time signatures, tempo, pitch, accidental, dynamics, articulations, text, keyboard, repeats and jumps, bar lines, and layout. To customize your palettes, you can click add palettes like this, and if you want to add brackets to create a custom brackets, just click this. And if you want to add ornaments, click this. If you want to add arpeggios and glissandi, fingering, lines and beams, and note head, grace note and breathe, and then you can look this like this. So this is your custom palettes. Okay, then I will explain about clefs. Okay, clefs. Now I will explain about clefs. This is G clef. In here, clefs. Okay, treble clef or G clef and bass clef. You can customize your clef by drag and drop like this. You can change into alto clef or change into bass clef or change into percussion clef. And if you want to customize your clef, you can click here. Okay, this is treble clef. That's it. But you can add your clefs in the middle. Okay. Like this. If you want to create, maybe I want to change into 1 octave. Then I want to customize the clef in here to bass clef. Just select the note you want to change the clef and like drag and drop or double or click this. Done. And here okay, Nice. It's clef. Okay, next I want to explain about key signatures. We can see this is key signatures. If you want to change the key signatures, you can click in here or drag and drop, or you can create another key signatures. Yes, like this if you want to change, or you want to change in the middle. Just select the node you want to change the key signatures and click here. Done. So that's the key signatures. Let's continue to time signatures. How to change the time signatures? Like previous, you can click this time signatures, click 44 to 34 to 54. Maybe it's not easy. 54, or you can change in the middle like this. 3 4. It's very easy. Or you can customize the time signature, create, you can add the value like 6 16, add and add here maybe. It's very easy. Okay, next, now I will explain the tempo and pitch. How to do the tempo and pitch? You can change the tempo by double click here, or you can click in here. Okay, to change this, just click the note and click. How to change the tempo marking tempo, just double click and like this. Done. Or you can make other tempo. Okay, next, pitch. If you want to add pitch, you can click here to here and give octave, and the sound is an octave higher. Okay, so one more again about dynamics. You can click here and add dynamics, or click here and add crescendo and decrescendo. That's it. That's for today. I hope this quick tutorial will help you to use Musescore 4 fluently. See you on the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.